Hello and welcome to the stream. Theoretically, I should be live, which is always a positive. Especially when you're trying to go stream. It's good that you are actually live when you're streaming. So let me check on my phone. Simply because I do not have two monitors, because I do not want to pay for two monitors. Okay. Alright, cool. So, right now, I have quite a bit done for multiplayer. Hi Nori. Do you want? Okay. So multiplayer is kind of working ish. I kind of broke it again, but I can show you guys. I'd probably have to switch over to full screen sharing. Actually, I don't know. I'm gonna use this one as the Or actually, I could hide this my PNG tuber, right? I could hide my PNG tuber, and I could just like turn the bottom one into what's it called? I could turn the bottom one into the other one, right? Oh no, I have to hide that one because that one's not working. Sorry, 1 second. I'm not good at streaming, if you couldn't tell. Capture specific window. Okay. Alright, so here's the thing. Properties, wrong thing. I don't know why this isn't working now. That's really funny. Oh well. I have to look at my settings for this one. 1 second. Okay. Let's try this. And I'm gonna re-enable my PNG tuber simply because I cannot figure this out for the life of me. Yes, I do remember you, Outcord. Hello. Your Nintendo Switch Online expired. That sucks. Yes, I do remember you, Outcord. Sorry, I was trying to figure out my streaming stuff. Okay. Host. Should I host on this one? No, I'm not gonna host on this one. I'm not gonna host on this one because if I host on that one, it will mess some. Oh my gosh. 1 second. Hide. Redo. There we go. This might work now. Okay, cool. So if we go into multiplayer hosts, I'm gonna host on the other one, simply so you can actually see the second player.
Do you have a $10 bill? Dad wants one.
My dad ordered pizza and he needs a tip for money, I guess. I don't know. Money's interesting. Yeah. Go to the Easter egg. I can go to the Easter egg. I'll do that in a second. Right now the server's starting up. I would show you the actual. Actually, I can show you the actual server starting thing. So yeah. Alright. Theoretically, it should be connected. Node world loaded successfully, and now it's just gonna send me up to this. Okay, please. There we go. Okay. So starting the server works. Now, if we connect to the server, it'll connect to the host. The thing with my server software is that it actually there's something funny that's kind of stupid and kind of like counterproductive about my server software that I coded. It makes you start up a second server. Like you have to Alright, so if you look right here, you can see that I'm controlling it from the other thing, right? It's very laggy, and I need to fix that, and I don't know how. But yeah, I'm controlling the other player for some reason. I'm so confused. It wasn't doing that before. So it was actually letting me control the right player before. Oh well. Time to fix that. I just need to remember what I had set up the server player script to be like before. Okay. So we don't want to set it here because that wasn't what I did before. If multiplayer is authority, yeah, whatever. If multiplayer, I don't know if this is gonna work. There we go. Now we just have to put all of this back into. Oh no, I think I actually did that. I'm gonna just like undo a bunch of this stuff. If ID equals okay. So this is the script that was working before. You got Ralph said to do more damage than Susie? That's crazy. Okay. I'm sorry that I'm not reading chat. It's just like so we actually want to redo the no, not replace, redo. Control. Ah, dang it. Oh well, it's not gonna let me redo. Oh well. Okay. Okay. So now we need to. Oh wait. So we need to check if it's the multiplayer authority. So if. Oh wait, no. We don't need to check if it's a multiplayer authority. Oh, okay. So I know what we need to do to actually check when it's connected to the server. So we need to go into the remote client. We need to go to the world downloaded signal. So we're gonna go to there. Then we're going to server player equals signal. Okay, so now we need to go into here. Okay, so now we need to just copy what we have in the actual multiplayer.gd. And then that will be world data. Okay, I'm just gonna copy this. And then the server player. We're just gonna copy and paste that. Nesquik cereal is peak of humanity. That's crazy. Intense coding is real. It is intense coding. That's crazy. Nesquik, I think it's like a chocolate milk thing. I have no idea. I don't know what Nesquik is either. Okay. I have no idea what Nesquik is. Okay, so we get that, and then we need to check. So signal world downloaded. We're gonna go onto multiplayer. Oh, wait, we need to connect you. We need to connect on ready. We're gonna connect. So now we need to go into on ready. This is gonna be such a spaghetti code. You finished the Captain Bot's death animation? Cool. Yeah, I'll add it into the game once I get multiplayer working. I have an idea. What if for multiplayer I make it random what skin you have? Like if you have Captain Bots or whatever. Or you could select it in multiplayer. I have no idea. I'd have to figure it out. But yeah, multiplayer is legitimately almost done. Okay, so multiplayer, connect, world downloaded, and we don't have a spawn player function. So we're gonna enable physics. So we're then gonna enable physics. So we need to create that function. Enable physics, and then we're gonna do that, and then we're gonna do ID. The ID isn't important. I don't know. Show them the Easter egg? I can. I will do that in a second. I'll show you guys the Easter egg. I need to make this work. So var enabled equals true. So we're gonna actually set enabled to true then. And then once enabled is true, and we actually have to add the enabled variable to the code, and be right here, var enabled equals false. Okay. Add some Nesquik cereal to the game. I'd probably. Yes, I'm gonna add edible uranium. Don't worry, it's gonna fill up your hunger bar to about 20 billion. It's gonna set your. Oh my gosh, that's perfect. Actually, I'm gonna add cheesecake to the game. That's not a bad idea. Well, at that point, I'd also have to add cheese, which means I have to add milk, which means I have to add like goats or cows or something. So yeah. Okay. So physics process. Okay. So if enable physics what did I name it? What the flip did I name it? Enabled. Okay. Enabled equals to true. If ID. Okay, now we need to double check that I said it correctly up here, just because I'm not very smart and I will mess everything up really funnily. That's perfect. Your internet's getting better, by the way? Nice. That's good. I like my cheese moldy, bro. I mean, if I add Lunchly, I'd have to do it after the product's discontinued, I guess. I could add an Easter egg that's like, where if you set your name to Logan Paul, if I like add player selection name, it's gonna be like, I like my cheese moldy, bro. It's gonna give you that dialogue and then decline you. That'd be really fun. That'd be really funny. So underscore ready. Enable physics. Now we need to go to enable physics. There we go. Okay. Host Astro. We're gonna see if this works. If you guys want to see what the I can't zoom in on the server script. I could probably actually. Let me just double check that's not sending in my IP. Yeah, it doesn't send any IPs. This is what the server thing looks like. It's much more secure than Minecraft. Prime would spawn an FDA on you. Real. It make it so if you eat. Oh yes, that's what I was saying, Captain Bots. I'm gonna add edible uranium, and then when you eat the uranium, your hunger goes so high that you just die. It's gonna go to the 32-bit integer limit. Okay. That doesn't really matter. I'll let moment of truth chat. Multiplayer, local host. Now it should theoretically send the world, then enable the player. It'll send the world. And probably make you lose hearts like poison. Real. Okay. So we need to... Okay, that's sending a bunch of errors. Let's see what they are. Oh no, that's not important. Okay, so I can't move, which isn't good. Theoretically. Okay, so this is... Well, now you just can't control the character, which isn't good. Let me just check if it's actually... I don't think it's even spawning the player anymore. Asher should add lunch and keep it in a glass cage like the modern art it is. Real! I should. Okay, so that didn't work. I don't know if it's even sending the signal. So we need to check. Okay, so now we need to switch back over to this. So on Delta received some multiplayer. Okay, let's go into multiplayer. Okay. So what we really need to do is... Oh wait, I know what it is actually. Let's go on to connect. On connect pressed. We don't want to spawn that in until the world is enabled. So we're gonna try this. Multiplayer host astro.tscn. Alright. You like your code dysfunctional, bruh? No, I don't actually. I want my code to work. Oh, CSN. Sorry, I didn't see that. Okay, so let's just connect. I will show you guys the Easter egg that I added. Oh, should I start making the credits once I get multiplayer working? I'm going insane. Gaster playable character? That'd be interesting. Oh, I know what it is actually. Alright, so then we need to make it so it will send the signal. We can't fix it, just kidding. We cannot. Turn down the music if possible a little bit. Okay, yeah, I will. The multiplayer currently just doesn't have music because I had to disable it. Oh, there was a chance that Undyne would be in the next chapter. That'd be interesting. Okay. So it is adding the players. Okay. How big would credits be? Well, I'd credit you, I'd credit Plasma, I'd credit myself. I'd have to credit... What? I don't think I'd actually have to credit Godot Engine. Wrong thing, wrong thing, wrong thing. Oh my gosh. Imagine it just decides to stop sharing. That'd be really funny. Okay. Well, it'd be cool if I was in Deltarune. Never gonna happen though. I'll let Bob the building. He's a building. Bob the building. Oh no. And how much you pay them for what they did to show how kind I am? Dang. I will pay you if you want me to pay you. Okay. Okay, well, for some reason it's not sharing my Godot, which is always fun, so I have to close and reopen the app, just like the good person I am. Godot engine. I'll let, and then we just open mini builder. So, game. Please. Why is it not sharing? Why did it just randomly stop sharing? 1 second. How do I reload a scene? I have no idea. Ashton Birdley got diagnosed with ligma? Oh no. Oh, that's funny. I forgot about this screenshot. 1 second. Is this true? Is this true, chat? Is that true? I'll let. Game capture. We're just gonna add a new game capture. How about? I don't know. I'm not good at streaming. Game capture. Yum. Okay. If I don't add a British double-decker bus racing, you'll be very disappointed. If you make the sprites for it, I can try to add it. I can, like, add buses and stuff to the game. I can add, like, vehicles and whatever to the game. I think that could be cool, maybe. Just share Godot, please. I beg of you. Dang Godot. Godot really hates me. That's crazy. I could just try this. F11. F11. FN F11. You can't full screen Godot. That's crazy. Alright, capture specific window. And then we want to capture. Here's the thing. Doesn't give me any errors when I try to capture anything other than Godot. Why just Godot? Why just Godot? There we go. Let's see, will this let me capture it? Just work. Please. Please. Oh. Okay, now let's switch back on over to the actual Godot. Why does it let me capture this? Oh well. I'll just tell you guys what I'm doing. Okay. So what I need to do, it's not adding the fucking, sorry, freaking, on connect, press, connect, okay, self level. Okay, so this wants to work. That's fun. Okay. You were reading The Outsiders and said Big Shot? Real. What's Papyrus on? I have no idea. I'm confused as well. We need to add a connect peer function, I think. Host, yes. Okay. Then we need to call for the ID as a int. Okay. Papyrus ate too much uranium? That is factually correct. I can guarantee it. Remote client. Okay. Let's see. I need to know. You will recreate World War II on Papyrus if he doesn't shut up. That's crazy. That's not a good thing to do. My cat scares me. My chat scares me beyond belief. It's not even funny. Okay, multiplayer host, Astra.tscn, alright. You will crash out? That's crazy. It's the real Sands, though. That's crazy. When Skibidi mewing Toilet, Ohio, Skibidi mewing Riz, you are my Sigma, yeah, Ohio, Skibidi, living Dune. Then. Okay, cool. Okay. So the player connected. Okay, so this one connects. Now I need to connect with the load host, and okay. So we just went all the way back to where it wasn't really working anymore, but that's okay. Let me turn on the music because I know that you guys suggested that to like make it better. Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay. So we just undid all of my progress, which is absolutely amazing. Okay. Server player. I wish I had backups to where it was working properly, kind of. Okay, well. What'd I even change then? It'd be on a remote client. Oh, I know what it is. Okay. So we need to call on the multiplayer.gd. We need to spawn the player with the multiplayer unique ID. Alright. Handle receiving data. don't need to spawn the player because this isn't even a function. We don't need to do that. On connect press, we need to connect the ID, and then we need to set MP. Did I undo like all of this? That's crazy if I did. I did. Oh no. Var MPID equals INT. That's so frustrating. It's an INT. Alright, and then after that we need to on ready. Actually no. And player, where's remote? No, not remote client. Server player. Okay. Server player, not single player. Okay. So then we need to go back up into okay, so we have set player ID, which is good. We never call it, which is the problem. So we need to go back into ready. Set player ID. Oh no, we actually call it an underscore enter tree before, so I'm gonna do that. Underscore enter func underscore enter tree. Hi L to the M, how are you doing? Make so there's a small chance you spawn and have an iron deficiency, so you literally have to mine for iron and eat it. That is an amazing idea. I love that idea. Function underscore enter tree, and then glow multiplayer dot get unique ID var ID equals multiplayer dot get unique ID. Okay. Globals.mpid. We just save globals.gd. So we're gonna save you. Then we're gonna go back into server player, and then we're gonna mpid equal to ID. Okay. So now we have all of this. We also need to go back into all of this down here, right? And go into Sandbox. Okay, so now all of this is working, so that's good. Now we need to go into multiplayer, on connect press, globals.mp ID equals variable ID is ideally defined up here. I have no idea. Okay. So we all have ID and globals.mpid equals ID. Okay. Stop sending you cuss words in Russian, that's crazy. Okay, we actually need to set these two things above here. So we're just gonna we're gonna get one instance of unique ID. How about, just because I think that'll remove error from the, and then we're gonna set you to ID. Okay. Pizza. Yeah, my parents got pizza for dinner, so I'm gonna eat that later probably. Okay, I have no idea. I have no idea what I undid and what I didn't undo, so we're just gonna test it. We're gonna set you to go, and then we're just gonna test it. Astro.tscn. Who knows? Who knows? Will this work? Will it completely fail and make me cry? Tonight we're gonna find out. Okay, so I know what that issue is. So we need to go into the server player and we need to change it from this to if ID is equal to globals dot get MPID. This is why I made the MPID in the first place, for that specific function. Okay, astro.tscn. What's your great idea, Captain Boss? Please tell me. I need ideas. Unless it's not for multiplayer. Anyway, you can still tell me if even if it's not for multiplayer. We need to make a group chat, me, you, and Plasmas, for like working on the game. Let me do that now, actually. So Plasmas, add to friends to DM, Captain Bots, create DM. Alright, there we go. Created a group DM. Okay. Make it so when you eat uranium, you turn into queso. Oh no, that'd be horrifying, but it'd also be really funny. So maybe I'll think about it. Okay, localhost, and then if we connect with localhost. Okay. So that one sends, and this one no longer receives, and also doesn't work anymore. I don't know what to do. Why is this not working anymore? I'm going to crash out. I think I'm gonna end the stream here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and